I'm Tess from Halo Dish Covers, and today I'm really excited to share with you our new mixed case. So this is a curated selection of our 16 best sellers. Comes in a box like this. And as you can see, it's perforated. So you tear along this line. And then what you get is a nice display case. So in this box, you get 4 small sets, two rectangles, two larges, and of course our very best seller, you get 8 large sets. We have designed this box specifically for small retailers, so we hope you enjoy and happy selling.